This week's top stories. Metro boss and contractor allegedly used soiled cloths to sabotage Zoono cleaning trials. A rail provider in Melbourne is facing accusations of planning to sabotage trials of Zoono's antimicrobial products, discovered via a series of tapped phone calls. Alongside the Metro's cleaning contractor TransClean, Metro manager Peter Bollas allegedly colluded to contaminate trials of Zoono's cleaning product because its efficacy threatened to cut TransClean's revenue in the contract. Addressing modern slavery in construction supply chains. CHAS has partnered with the University of Nottingham Rights Lab for a research project around the risk of modern slavery within construction supply chains, focused on SMEs. The assessment project will begin in April 2021 and seeks to establish how construction businesses can effectively tackle the issue. Ramadan in the workplace, tips for employers. Monday 12th of April signifies the beginning of Ramadan, the holy month of the Islamic calendar in which Muslims often commit to a period of fasting during daylight hours. Andrew Willis, Head of Legal at Employment Law and HR Consultancy Krona, provides some employer top tips for supporting staff during this time.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.